Hey guys, it's Neil from N.P. Detailing. Today we're doing a carbon clean on this Maserati 4.2 litre V8 engine, running a bit rough. So thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more videos and the notification bell to be notified of the new videos up and coming your way. So check this one out. Okay, so here's my little box of tricks, all hooked up to this Maserati. This vehicle's been fully resprayed. Cup of tea in one hand. It is like 2 degrees here in the UK today. Yeah, so air intake, pipe's gone in there. Machine produces carbon, sorry, not carbon. Machine produces hydrogen, as well as got 9 chemicals which turns into a gas and breaks down the carbon. This vehicle will be for sale. I believe the owner wants to sell it. I don't know how much he wants for it, but it's like a complete respray. It was a matte black which was flaking, and the owner is all Dent Alert in Leicester. So if you Google Dent Alerts, get in touch with him. That's his car. He wants to sell it. Do a bit of work. I'm going to probably end up detailing it, give it a bit of a paint polish. Fully resprayed interior. Yeah, so let's see what it's like an hour later. So every 15 minutes I have to give it a blip, just to expel some of the carbon out the rear. Listen to this. Right, so carbon clean done. Taking the Maserati for a test drive. Go to the open road, see what it feels like. What do you notice so far then?
Driving a lot smoother, mate. Not jerking.
What else do you notice about pickup?
Wants to keep accelerating for some reason.
Is it sustaining gears longer?
Yeah. I'm just going to wait till we get onto the open road a bit.
That exhaust.
Right.
Just watch out for the cameras. Average speed cameras up here, believe it or not. Yeah.
So this is in 4th gear, 1500 RPM, 130 mile an hour.
So from stop to start off, how does it feel in compared to comparison to before?
A lot smoother, more revvy, torquey.
Sustains the gears longer?
First gear there.
Did it change quicker before?
Yeah. No, this is quick.
No, but
it's a lot smoother in terms of when you select the gear and change
right,
it.
got you.
Yeah. So we're in second. We've just hit 40 at 4,000 RPM.
There's another camera further up, by the way. So it's a Maserati Quattroporte 2004 plate.
That's it.
Just had a carbon clean. Just taking it for a test drive. Sorry about the wobbly hand. I've not got one of those fancy gadgets that every YouTuber has. Don't forget to hit subscribe, notification bell, so you get to know when my videos are up. So we're just in the outskirts of Leicestershire. Just going to see how this car feels after a carbon clean. Bloody hell, it's noisy. And is that in normal mode?
This is in just normal sports mode.
Oh, this is sports mode.
Yeah. That's the only mode I drive it in.
Right.
Because apparently the normal mode wears the clutch out quicker.
Oh, you're saying you got a £5 clutch in there or something?
That's right.
Wow. So you've resprayed this whole car?
That's right, yeah. It's all been stripped and repainted.
So when you drove it before, what was the gear change like?
You know that downshift just then? We
Yeah.
had two blips, yeah?
Yep.
It wasn't like that before. It's a bit more sluggish.
Now it's smoother.
Yeah, now it's a lot smoother. Now it's just taking off on the exit. That's fourth gear. It's just like keeps like a train.
Just goes in it.
Nice.
So the gear change is smoother.
Definitely. It's revving a lot smoother. It's just cruising now.
What are you doing? 80, cruising at 80. It doesn't even feel like it, just feels like 50 miles an hour.
Yeah. This is 70 in sixth gear. Running out about 3,000 RPM. Nice and easy.
So how different would you say, how effective would you say the carbon clean's been on it?
I think it's worth doing it. I don't know if this was ever cleaned before. But right now, it's made a massive difference. So
Is it just responsive?
Proper. So from 60 mile an hour, sorry, 70 mile an hour in sixth gear, yeah, top speed, top gear. Let's see what it pulls like. So it's pulling nice. There's no hesitation.
So more responsive. Changing of the gears is different, isn't it?
Yeah,
And you said when you changed down it was sluggish before,
that's it.
and now it's like straight.
So let's just take it down to a low speed, right, at the roundabout. And see if it starts doing the old kangaroo. I don't think it'll do it, which is a good thing.
Got the pop in it as well on the exhaust.
There you go, nice and smooth. No messing about.
So it's made a change to the gears as well. So there you have it, guys. Another positive result with the carbon clean machine on this Maserati Quattroporte. Don't forget, hit subscribe, notification bell to find out when my videos up there. You'll get to know when they're up there. Thanks for watching, for all your support guys. Catch me in my next video and I'll see you then.